I was excited to get reached out by recruiters on LinkedIn, and this is cool because I gained some more marketing from just posting and building this channel in public and showing my engineering use case. And I think this is it's pretty cool because one, I have never done this before, anything like this in public, and have to ship fast and commit my changes and move on and iterate each week. And this is why I want to talk about why I want to build this channel. One, because it actually builds trust, right? You can see me over here, and I'm just here being myself, talking about my engineering journey as a software engineer. And this is cool because now I know what my niche and brand is going to be, right? Which is showing the early career engineers of how I learn and progress using AI. And this has been pretty cool because I have something now I can rely on, right? Previously, before, I have technical skills, but I don't have any marketing. I don't have any way to show how good I am, suppose theoretically, how good I am technically, right? I now have a channel, and through this process of making this brand, I have built and I have used engineering principles, right? Talking about the mindset, and two is using like multi-agent orchestration. This is new, right? Using with the Claude Code in a terminal, spinning up multiple agents, having different skills, grabbing the right contacts. Like this is all just new. I also have another idea that I could showcase or build some side projects. Previously, I would not really want to do so because I think that technically I don't have what it takes. I'm scared that I don't know what I'm doing, and I just don't know, and I don't want to get started. But now with my channel and just being able to reach people, right, and share my journey, it's cool. I want to use, right, what I go through and share that. So a project idea, I guess it's not really a project, but it's just something I could idea feature I wanted to share that on GitHub. So I'm gonna be building it, and I'll share that. It shouldn't take that long. That Yeah, it shouldn't take that long to build it because it's already part of my workflow. So the idea is that I want to build a website, a service that could give out once you that could transcribe a YouTube video into a transcript and put that on a UI and deploy it, and people can just go in there and use it. So yeah, I'm sure there's other services like that already, but I think this is just something I can do. I think I already know what to do and how to orchestrate it. And yeah, I know how to host it. Once I build it, I'll build it, deploy on Vercel, and I use TypeScript, right, to parse the from YouTube to transcript and save in a local file and then upload that onto the UI. So really what I needed to, I really have the backend ready. I just needed to build the UI and then deploy the web app. Takeaway here is to put yourself out there. If you can, and just it builds, and it takes a long time, right, to be able to do what we don't want to do or to do what we're scared of. I remember, right, very clearly 2 months ago. I was very, very scared, and I was terrified recording the videos and just talking to your camera, and I was just uncomfortable, and it'd take me a lot of tries, a lot of clips, and because I was afraid that I would be too stiff, or that is not who I am, right? But the idea here is to go for it, right? Like the mindset video, just to be active, ship something, and just commit the small minimal step again, and just don't be so, I guess, really obsessed about what could go wrong, right? What if this whatever thing you attempted, right? Making a video or building a brand or putting yourself out there, what if that's the best thing that could, what if that thing will change everything for you, right? So instead of focusing on the negative, spin it around and have that perspective behind what you do. And even though I was scared, I was doing it anyways, because I know that if I don't start, right? If I don't start, then when am I going to start? So I encourage you to do that if you're on the fence, or you're deciding for the right time, the right environment, the right moment, the right energy, right, the right year, the right Monday. But it's okay. Just get started, even if we're not, if you're not perfectly executing it or doing the thing that you're scared of. So yeah, with this, I hope this helps. It's a update from me, and yeah, I hope to hear from you, and I'll continue to do this and to practice and to just share what I learn at work and what I do outside of work. So yeah, I hope this helps you, and I'll talk to you later.